Well, you can see the market is still beholden to how oil is moving. But is there such thing as a good correction? Our next guest thinks so. Joining us now, Kimball Brooker, Jr. He's not afraid of what's happening today. He's First Eagle Fund's Global Value Team Deputy Head. With $90 billion in assets under management, what is a day like this, where we're coming off a really solid big move from last week, due to your psychology? I assume you're successful, so nothing.
No, I think people forget that volatility is a healthy thing. It's a normal part of the markets. And even though it seems like there's been a return to volatility, it's actually fairly average now. And I think the other thing that people forget is that it can afford investors who've got a longer-term time horizon with a chance to buy.
Well, you're looking at great chances to buy instead of seeing the cup half empty. You say it's half full. How do you spot the hidden gems? Tell people who are watching right now, who look at this, Dow down 182, and say, I'm nervous. Well,
we've got a very, very simple approach at First Eagle. Basically, we try to buy securities at a discount to what we think they're worth, and we overlay that valuation work with a number of factors that we think about where we look for very persistent businesses.
Okay, so folks, here's what Kimball thinks is undervalued right now: a Chilean beer company. This is an interesting one because South America's getting hammered, and spirits is certainly an interesting sector to be in at the moment.
Yeah, it's a very good company. It's called CCU. It has a market share of about 75% of the Chilean beverage market.
Let's put the chart up if we can.
Very well run, very healthy balance sheet. It's actually a family and Heineken who control the business.
Yeah, don't try and pronounce that. Just say ticker symbol CCU.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now the oil patch has been just devastated. 60 companies over the past year and a half have gone bankrupt. But you say Flowserve is one that will rise from the ashes.
Flowserve, it's important to remember, it's not an oil company.
It's an oil services, right?
Well, they make fluid control devices.
The valves.
So valves, pumps, seals, those sorts of things. That stock is down, we think, because they've got some customers in the energy sector.
Yeah, they also do water valves, too.
They do water. There are lots of industrial applications.
So it's down 30%. You say go in now. You're getting it at a huge discount.
We think it's a very good company, healthy balance sheet, well-positioned, and we like the price here.
Well, I like the fact that you have $90 billion in assets under management, so I like your ideas. Thank you. We'll put them on Facebook.com/Liz Clayman. Kimball Brooker, First Eagle.
Great, thanks.
Great to